Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh. Hi, I will show you how to use reduced interruptions in iOS 18.1. Reduced interruptions in iOS 18.1 is a new focus mode that filters notifications to show only the most important ones. To use reduced interruptions in iOS 18.1, follow these steps. First, go to Settings. Now, from Settings, tap Focus. At Focus, select Reduce Interruptions from the list. Now, you may customize to your liking when to reduce interruption, which apps and even from which people you want to reduce interruption. It's that simple. Hope you enjoy this video. Have a nice day. Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh.